far below the waves, past sunlight, past warmth, past everything familiar. There is a world that was never meant to exist. A place where pressure can crush steel, where darkness has ruled for millions of years, where food barely falls like snow, once in a lifetime. And yet, life thrives here, not just surviving, but evolving in ways that seem to ignore every rule we thought life had to follow. Tonight, we descend into the deepest parts of our planet to uncover why life at the bottom of the ocean breaks everything we know. Our journey begins as we sink past the last traces of sunlight. At about 1,000 meters down, the ocean becomes permanently dark. No sunrise, no sunset, no stars. On the surface, light is everything. Plants use it to grow. Animals rely on it to hunt, hide, and survive. But here, light is gone. And yet, creatures glow. Jellyfish pulse with cold blue fire. Fish carry tiny lanterns on their heads. Squid flash signals through the dark like living code. This light isn't warmth. It's chemistry. Inside their bodies, simple reactions release energy as glow, a process called bioluminescence. But scientists still don't know why it evolved so many different times. Is it for hunting, communication, defense, or something else we haven't noticed yet? The deeper we go, the clearer it becomes. Down here, light isn't from the sun. It's made by life itself. As we descend further, pressure becomes the dominant force. At the bottom of the ocean, the weight of the water above is like having dozens of jumbo jets stacked on your body. Bones should shatter. Organs should collapse. Cells should fail. But deep-sea animals don't resist pressure. They surrender to it. Their bodies are soft, flexible, almost liquid-like. No air pockets. No rigid structures to crush. Some fish don't even have swim bladders. Instead of fighting pressure, they let it pass through them. This raises a larger question. How many ways can life reshape itself before it stops being recognizable? And are these creatures still animals? Or something closer to? Down here, food is almost non-existent. No plants grow in darkness. No ecosystems powered by sunlight. Most creatures wait for marine snow. Tiny flakes of dead matter drifting down from above. It's slow, unreliable, barely enough to survive. So life adapts. Some animals eat once a year, and that's enough. Others have expandable stomachs, swallowing prey larger than themselves. Many move so slowly they seem frozen in time, conserving every molecule of energy. But then, something impossible appears. Entire ecosystems, thriving, alive. At deep-sea hydrothermal vents, the ocean floor cracks open. From the Earth's crust, superheated water erupts, rich with chemicals, poisonous to most life. But here, these vents become oases. Instead of sunlight, bacteria use chemicals like sulfur to create energy. This process, chemosynthesis, feeds giant tube worms, clams, and strange creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Life here doesn't depend on the sun at all. This discovery stuns scientists. Because if life can exist without sunlight, then where else could it exist? On icy moons, under alien oceans, deep beneath worlds we've never touched. What we've discovered only deepens the mystery. As we reach the deepest zones, creatures stop looking like animals at all. Faces stretch, eyes vanish, or grow impossibly large. Bodies become transparent, tooth-filled, or barely solid. Some fish have skin so thin you can see their organs. Others have jaws designed not to chew, but to trap. Evolution down here isn't about beauty. It's about efficiency under nightmare conditions. And yet, we've explored less than 5% of this world. Every expedition finds species never seen before. Some appear once, then vanish forever. This raises an unsettling question. How many rules of life are we missing? Simply because we've never gone deep enough to see them break? At the bottom of the ocean, life doesn't follow our expectations. It doesn't need light. It doesn't fear pressure. It doesn't rush, waste, or explain itself. It simply exists, quietly rewriting biology in the dark. And as we return to the surface, to air and sunlight and certainty, one truth remains. The strangest life on Earth isn't in distant galaxies. It's beneath our feet, still waiting, still unknown. And the deeper we look, the less certain we are about the rules that govern life itself. AMS, and strange creatures found nowhere else on Earth. Life here doesn't depend on the sun at all. This discovery stuns scientists. Because if life can exist without sunlight, Then where else could it exist? On ice